Welcome back to Android Tutorials. And in this Android tutorial, I am going to show you a dashboard design for our food application in Android Studio. In this video, I am going to design a half of our dashboard and half dashboard we will do in next video. So without wasting time, let's begin with our today's Android tutorial, that is dashboard design for food application. For our dashboard design, I had converted my layout to constraint layout, so it will be compatible for all devices. So here you can see that here is full large image, large font, and this is smaller font. So this will set in all fonts easily. Now you will see how clean our dashboard look like. So I am going to first set our background color, that is BCBA. So by this we will get our gray background. Next I have image view. So image view is for our menu. We will make a custom navigation. So for that we have that menu width will be 25 dp and its height will be 25 dp, and give its id, that is food menu, and make sure you give a margin also, that is 16 dp, and give its source to be food menu, and I will a link in which you will find all this menu. Next we have a image view, and I had constrained this from parent so that it looks here. Next we have food cart icon. So this icon, its width and height is wrap content, and I had given its height to be wrap content, and its margin top and margin end will be 24 dp, so that it will move slightly down from our menu, and give it source again food cart, and I had added its margin 5 dp, so when user click on that cart it will pop up, else it will not. Next I have given its constraint bottom to food menu, top also food menu, and its end of to be parent. Now I found this font family is for Apple, so I had taken its image. So my image name is food title, which is food title again, and its width and height I had taken is wrap content, and I had also added its margin top, which is 24 dp, and I constrained them with our food menu. Now all things will depend on top to top. Here food title depends on menu. Here search depends on title, and tab layout also depends on search. I will tell you how. And then we completed our implementation of image view, which is food title. Next I made a search thing. Here you can see that all that search. So for that I had make my text view. So this will be food search, and given its width of 314 dp and width of 314 dp and height of 60 dp, and again given its margin top to 24 dp, and then we have our background, a rectangular background, and width will be background tint is custom color, that is EFEE, and then I had given its durable padding, which is 16 dB. And do one thing, I will add this code in the link which I will provide in description, so you can find the source code of this in the description. So here we have font family Nununto semi bold, and its gravity is center vertical, given its padding 10 dB, and text is search. Now text color is black and text size is 17 sp. And don't forget to add treble start compact to food search, so this will include a icon also. And again constrain them in center so that I had make them in parent and top with title. Now here you can see that food, drinks and snacks category is there, but this is for design purpose only. In real we will do it in programmatically. So let first remove this tab item in our next video, but in this video I am going to make it as it is. So here we have tab layout with will be match parent and it will be wrap content, and its background also BCBA so that it matches with our activity background. Next is scrollable container. Make sure it is true, and margin start will be 30 dp and margin end also 30 dp. And again make them constraint with search. Next I have is this, we have bottom navigation. So I am not going to design all this full navigation because I had already created the video for that. So you will find that video in the I button, so you can go and check out there. So you will implement this bottom navigation which is awesome, so make sure you check out. Next we have view pager, so make them constraint with that down navigation and top tab layout, and then make its height to be 0 dp. With this it will be match constraint. So with this we had completed 50% of our dashboard design, and rest of dashboard design we will do in next video. So if you had not subscribed this channel, then please make sure you subscribe this channel, because we will make a new video every Sunday and Thursday. So you will find this video every Sunday and Thursday. So make sure you subscribe this channel, and thanks for watching Android tutorial.